Well, some Texas families could get $10,000 a year to send their child to private school. That number is now in the proposed for Education Savings Account program that the Senate unveiled this morning.
The program is a priority for Governor Abbott, but it will almost certainly face backlash in the House of Representatives. Our Capitol Bureau reporter Dylan McKim breaks down the proposed program and how some lawmakers are reacting.
Senate Bill 2 defines what an education savings account program would look like in the Lone Star State. It carves out $10,000 per student per year to help pay for private school tuition, and $11,500 if the student has a disability. The program would be open to every student in the state to apply, whether they're in private school or public school. But if applications exceed capacity, then 80% of the available spots would have to go to students who are currently in public school and are either from low-income households or have a disability. Those spots would be decided by a lottery system. State Senator Brandon Creighton filed legislation. He said in a statement, quote, "Every child in Texas deserves the chance to succeed, especially those who require specialized learning environments. By passing this legislation, we will break the barriers imposed by zip codes and give all families the tools they need to provide a brighter future for their children," end quote.
Bad public policy.
The bill is already facing backlash from House Democrats. State Representative James Tallarico believes low-income students will not be able to take advantage of this program because of a lack of access to private schools in their area or the possibility they may be denied acceptance into a private school.
If working class kids can't take advantage of it, then that money goes to wealthy parents who are already sending their kids to private school.
Public opinion on ESA programs has been slightly more favorable in years past, but polling by the Texas Politics Project found in this upcoming session it's not a priority for Texans.
There's support there, but it's not something that people are clamoring for.
In Austin, I'm Dylan McKim.
Dylan, thank you. The Texas Senate successfully passed a version of an ESA program in the past 5 sessions, but each time it has failed in the House of Representatives. Governor Abbott said this session he is confident there are enough votes in the House to get it passed this year.